Welcome back. In this video, we'll see the specs for newly launched HP OmniBook X laptop. This is a 14-inch laptop and this is next-gen AI laptop. Let us see the features of HP OmniBook X laptop. This laptop is powered with Windows 11 operating system, which uses 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩𝐭𝐢𝐨 CPU, which is also called OMEN CPU. This laptop has dedicated NPU, which is Neural Processing Unit. NPU is used to power artificial intelligence applications like Copilot and inbuilt HP AI tools, which will be used for AI video calling, analyze your personal files, work seamlessly on collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams. This laptop has a battery life of 26 hours, which is longest battery life for any laptop, which can be used for multitasking activities. And this laptop weighs only 1.35 kilograms. HP OmniBook X laptop comes with Snapdragon X-Elite processor, which has 12 cores. This processor supports up to 3.4 GHz. Also, the laptop comes with dedicated NPU to run AI applications faster. As part of the standard configuration, this laptop comes with 16 GB memory of LPDDR5X with 8448 MHz speed. Storage. As part of the standard configuration, it comes with 1 TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. About the display, this laptop comes with 14-inch or 35.6 cm display. Display glass is Corning Gorilla Glass and it supports 2.2K of display with touchscreen. Graphics is powered by Qualcomm Adreno chipset. Camera. This laptop comes with 5 megapixel front-facing camera with 16:10 ratio and also it has auto shutter. Audio is Poly Studio with AI noise cancellation audio. About networking, this laptop has a wireless card which supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. Battery. This laptop comes with HP Fast Charge. Charge your laptop battery by 50% within 30 minutes. Battery will last long for 26 hours to play your videos. Let us see what are the ports which are available on this laptop. On the right side of the laptop, we have RCA 3.5-inch port for audio and mic combination. And also there is a USB Type A port. On the left, there are two USB Type C ports. One USB Type C port supports 10 Gbps and the other USB Type C port supports 40 Gbps of speed. You can use both the ports to connect to power, connect external monitor for display, even charge your phones when laptop is off. Let us see what are the upgrade options which are available. This laptop, as a standard configuration, comes with 16 GB of memory and 1 TB of SSD storage. We can upgrade to 32 GB memory and 2 TB of SSD storage. This laptop comes with Windows 11 operating system with Copilot. Build of this laptop is sturdy because this laptop is made up of high-strength aluminum weighing only 1.35 kilograms. Warranty. This laptop comes with 1 year standard warranty. We can extend up to 3 years with offers. Check out for the ongoing offers and extend your warranty for this laptop. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.